on the BMW is so much heavier. That's really heavy. Oh, just shaved off 100 pounds. Whoa. Oh.
Hold it up there just to see if that's where it's not
good. Yeah, for you not. It slides. Oh no.
I don't know about this.
Oh no.
This doesn't look like it's gonna line up where it needs to go.
Amazon. So this is where I chuck it into the driveway?
I was gonna say, I don't know if this looks like it's gonna fit.
This doesn't look like the other.
This is where...
Yeah, there's two holes there, but I have like a block in the way. Yeah. That's a bummer. Let's see if it says anything about this. Like, a show to remove bumper bracket.
Unless you can loosen both the...
Maybe the old send it method.
For what? The bar?
Water off the whole thing right there.
Take the whole thing off.
That is actually holding radiator.
Yeah, so you do...
Not touching the air cooler. That's good.
And then kind of right in the middle, you go to you a little bit.
Okay, yeah.
I'll be able to grab something there.
So now I'm on the outer edge.
Yeah, is this going to be probably a point? Cut this
Oh,
shit
yeah,
out.
I'll take that out.
Wire cutters? Just snip, and then fold or something?
Pretty clean.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's like I've done this before.
Again, it's like an over-engineered to begin with, a little bit of weight reduction and plastic savings.
Yeah. So the $70 thing that's supposed to protect your front end.
Yeah.
Whatever. You know, these like metal bolt. Radiator falls.
Tight these until you...
It's 3 Duggas.
3 Duggas, is that what it is?
You ever see that?
What is your Dugga?
A Dugga is a... Every time it hits. So if you don't have a torque wrench, you do the Dugga method.
Get your freaking grill thing back on.
That's easy. It's bigger than that hole.
Or, wait a minute.
I just have to
Is
take
that what those holes are for?
Oh! Maybe it is. What a smart
Look at that.
Would you look at that?
See how shitty the grill looks?
Yeah, that's it. We just gotta confirm that we need to
Like, yeah, that looks like crap.
Yeah, you need to rattle this. It looks like absolute butt. Oh. Yes, it is, but... Are you sarcastic or do you like it? I've always liked that look.
I've honestly never noticed it before.
There's a bunch. Finish this reinstall. Now.
The video, make it look finished?
Right. Close it and then the bumper falls off.